sorry about dropping these things. I could build a tower and carry it on the back of the wood. Throwing bottles at us now, huh? We don't stop. I'm quiet. I'm a little pissed off with the Ustream technology that put a job on there. It upsets me actually. It really upsets me. Seattle. Sorry it's been dropping Seattle here, but this is Seattle. There's our Freedom Noise Death Brigade march coming up on Harrison. We're marching down Broadway right now. Gotta tell them to guard the money. Make sure you guard the money. Guard the money. Guarding the money like good little soldiers. That's where we can get our money to pay the student debt back from. From that bank. J.P. Morgan, thank you for paying the student loan debt for the Americans. It's only $1 trillion. How much did we bail them out? Superheroes are bad. We do pepper spray people and they shouldn't be doing that. Today was a short walk. We're only doing a 2-mile march today. Hi, Bobby. Coming up on Olive Way on Broadway, so you know we say we're going to City. And then after this, after the march, I'm one of those charge things, so I'll be down for about an hour, and then I'll be heading down to Westlake where we're doing a sleepover to stop the Nickel Village from being, or Nickel City from being torn down. The homeless community here is set up. The city's trying to tear it down and get rid of it. It's one of the only places that have it safe. Now we got good stream, but we're not in all those buildings. Big tall buildings mess with us bad. Real bad. The big brick old building. Look at that, John Street, but we're getting John Street. John Street. East John, taking it right on 10th. Right until we come up to have our picnic at Cal Anderson Park. We think every action should end with food. Everybody should eat. Eating is a human right. Nobody should be hungry. Because of student debt, a lot of people go hungry. A lot of students that graduate, they go hungry. A lot of students that are in school go hungry because they have to work to pay off their student loans already. The student debt is occurring. So we have to have free college. This country should be having free college. We want to be the best we can be. Technically, I think the world should have free college, my own personal opinion, but where we end our marches every time. Like I said, I'm sorry I had troubles today, technical difficulties. I hate that. There is vegan food today too. Student debt, we do this every Wednesday. Next Wednesday, every Wednesday, 7 o'clock we start meeting over at SC2. And then we march at 8. This is Seattle Student Noise Jet Brigade. They make some noise. day we do this. We start at 7:30, 8 o'clock. We march at 8. We go live about 7:30. We have food. We love you all. Nobody likes to watch people eat. Makes you hungry. We love you, but we'll see you. Give me about an hour and a half, and I'll be back up down at Westlake. I'll be back up. We'll be there overnight, so it'll be an overnight stream. I brought the car battery and everything, so we'll be up all night. See you then. Love you.